The paradigm has shifted. The world is accelerating. There are places that are ahead of the curve. This city could be a model for what's to come.
Growth of the village needs more people who will in turn increase activities, demand, and supply. Now that my village has reached little hamlet level, it is time to start industries. General industries will begin at this area. Industrial zoning plus some water. And the power for the industries. It is good to note that industries consume a lot of power, and for that reason, I may have to increase the number of power sources, or the budget for power production in the economy section, or here I can also increase tax rate levels. This way, people will pay taxes, more taxes. Revenue from tax will enable me to provide enough services to the people. Let's say government services such as enough water for drinking, security, for example police and fire stations, garbage collection services, health services, for example medical clinics, hospitals. Think of every service that citizens need from the government. I will have to provide every single service to the people. The cost of running each service will depend on revenue the town will make. Too high taxes will make people very unhappy, and they will start leaving the town immediately. Eventually, your town becomes a ghost town.